Hey guys, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude here with another Jurassic World unboxing video. I went to Toys R Us and picked up 3 Savage Strike Velociraptor figures from the new Camp Cretaceous toy line. And lucky enough, they actually had the variants of the 2 tiger striped raptors. There is a lighter striping, kind of similar to what you'd see in Jurassic Park's Kenner lineup, the Screaming Raptor. And then this guy, the darker striped one, and this is more like the Lost World type striping. And these are really cool figures. I should have picked up the other one, but I just left it because the total came out to like, it was like $50 or something. I don't know. It was a lot. But they are definitely worth it. I love the paint jobs with these figures, especially the tiger striped ones. And if we compare them to the tiger striped raptors that we got from the first lineup, you can see the arms of this guy are a lot brighter. They're like a solid orange, whereas these guys flow more with the body. I guess you can say this is like the male variant because you can see the crest there. It would have been nice to get this raptor redone in this kind of style so you could have male and female. But I see they've gone with a more festive kind of Christmas coloration with greens and reds and a lighter underbelly. But it's interesting. It's kind of like out of an old video game, I feel. So let's get these guys out of the package, or gals, and let's take a closer look. So we got the festive raptor, really nice bright red color to it, with a bright green on the top. Again, it feels like it's out of a video game, some old style one. The inside of the mouth is painted, the teeth are painted, unlike this guy where the teeth and the under mouth are not painted, so it's kind of stepping up on the old figures a bit, but the claws are unpainted. The toenails are for sure, and we'll grab the scan code while we're at it. There you guys go. And let's take a look at the tiger striped raptors now. So these guys come with the scratching claw style instead of the jumping, and I definitely enjoyed that. It looks a lot better. I'm glad they went with it, as it's got the female raptor head. The jumping raptor here has the male head to it. It also would have been nice if this was JP3 styled in some way with the quills, but again, it's not what we got. So let's go with these, cut those. It's very interesting. I'm pretty sure they did the variant, the color variant purposefully on these figures. Not sure why. Must be hopefully something to do with fans, or maybe fans would buy more if they did that. There's a little bit of, there's some sort of paint stuff, and I'll just chip off there on the head. Oh, the mouth fits really nicely on this one. Usually it's harder for these figures to close their mouths. Inside of the mouth is painted, eyes are painted, teeth are painted. Oh, now that I opened it, it won't close back tight again. No! Close enough. Really beautiful. I love that the paint even goes around the eyes. That really makes it stand out well, I think. The striping goes on the neck and to halfway, a bit less than halfway, maybe a quarter on this section of the tail. Here's the button, the mechanism to make it scratch. Very cute. And let's grab the scan code on the bottom for y'all. There you go. Ooh, the neck, the paint on the neck's kind of screwed up a bit, but it's hardly noticeable. And then here's the other one. Oh, they look so nice together. Look at that. That's so cool. Can't wait to do photography with them. Here's the darker variant color scheme. It's kind of like, well, not really sexual dimorphism, which is when a male and female of a species look somewhat different. They have distinguishing features, but maybe just variants to distinguish individuals in a pack. That would make more sense with the color differences instead of, you know, crests. But overall, these figures are really amazing. Super glad they came to Canada, or else I would have had to rely on some help from some friends in the States. But now that I know they're out in Toys R Us, if I ever want more, I can stop by and pick them up, if they still have them. As we all know, Toys R Us up here, everything goes out of stock really fast. If we compare it to the Tiger Raptor from the Amber collection, you can see the Tiger Raptor in the back has a more orangey color to it. These ones are a lot more subtle, a lot more lighter. Their stripes aren't as apparent, but they're still there, and it fits the theme very well. I think more with this guy than anything, but there we go. There's our Mattel Velociraptor Raptors. Holy cow, I cannot wait to try out some photos of these guys hunting, maybe a stegosaurus, like a Kenner stegosaurus, or I think it's Hasbro or Kenner, whatever company made the Lost World figures. But yeah, no, they're gonna fit right in. They look really nice. Definitely worth picking up. I give them a 10 out of 10. And super surprised that Mattel actually did something like this, where they shoehorned them into Camp Cretaceous lineup. This gives me hope for seeing more figures like a JP3 styled Ankylosaurus, or even the JP3 Raptors, fingers crossed. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd super appreciate a like. And if you want to see more content like this, you can check out my channel and subscribe if you'd like. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video then. Bye-bye.